Hi guys, I'm Pradeep and I completed my graduation in year 2020 in aerospace engineering from Lakredi College of Engineering, Mayilvaram, and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. And here I'm here to share the experience with AttainU, how it went throughout the journey. I have joined in AttainU for a full stack developer course year 2021. So I came to know about this course from one of my friend who is working along in Bangalore. And the thing I like about the AttainU is the teaching style, and also they will resolve the doubts within few hours when we raised any doubts. So actually, in AttainU, how it will happen is like daily they will train us like 2 hours of time. So within this 2 hours of time, whatever we learn on that, they will give assignments and CCs like daily tasks. So by solving that daily task, we'll get some like knowledge about that how the things going through that. So we can also get some doubts also. So if you raise any doubts, they will give proper answer within a few hours of time. So I like that thing very much with the AttainU. And actually in the month end also they will conduct a month end test, like throughout the month what they covered in that they will put a test. So it will help us to remember the things without forgetting. If we are going for 2-3 months also, whatever the things happen in these 2-3 months, they will conduct a test from that starting month. So these things will make us to remember much. AttainU helps us in placement or placement things very much. Like they will provide us many upcoming ongoing companies, and regarding placements, AttainU will help us to get placed in good companies. And also they will conduct daily mock interviews, and also they will conduct classes related to the placement orientation things. The future AttainU students is like to start your career with a good choice, friends, and put your efforts and train well with AttainU.